Introducing the Plate Joiner. Slim and ergonomic. With its cast aluminum front body, it's designed for making strong plate joints with efficiency, accuracy, convenience, speed, and comfort. The PJ7000 has non-marring rubber inserts engineered to prevent material from slipping. The powerful 5.6 amp motor delivers 11,000 RPM for quick, precise cutting. The rack and pinion vertical fence system is engineered for accurate adjustments with 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. It has 6 depth settings with 1 touch stops and common biscuit sizes. The double insulated PJ7000 also has a toolless blade cover and shaft lock for easy blade changes. Quick changing bag means cleaner work. The Plate Joiner by Makita.
Introducing the Dovetail Clamp AP, the next generation of match-fit dovetail clamps. With anti-pivot technology and the all-new X-Pad, giving you hold down and inline pressure at the same time. What? We already broke the mold with the first generation of dovetail clamps by creating a work holding system with just a router bit. Now you can apply clamping pressure in 2 directions with just 1 clamp and no expensive T-track. The included X-Pad slips right over the standard cap, applying downward and horizontal pressure simultaneously. Combined with stops, you can glue up long parts without long clamps. Just this little guy. It's like 2 clamps in 1. Crazy, right? You can use it to make a tall fence on your table saw.
Or it's a straight line again. Use it on the drill press to secure fences, stops, or material, or you can use it on the miter station.
Use a spacer to secure material from a distance, leaving the top unobstructed for flattening, template routing, or CNC work. Want to clamp round stock? No problem. The Dovetail Clamp AP's coil spring keeps the arm of the clamp in place, defying gravity. When you're setting up a large glue up or swapping out parts for repetitive processes, the arm won't drop down and get in your way. The Dovetail Clamp AP is also longer than the original, giving you a full 8.5 inches of clamping capacity for larger projects. No other system gives you the flexibility to create your own tracks where and when you need them. For jigs, fixtures, and assembly, there really is no substitute.
Join the thousands of craftsmen who are already working smarter with the match fit system and never buy another inch of T-track.
Match fit dovetail clamps are backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Add to cart and start working smarter today with the Match Fit Dovetail Clamp AP.
Can you spot the difference between this clamp and this clamp? They're both track clamps, but with one huge difference. This one relies on expensive aluminum track. With this one, you create your own track. Match fit dovetail clamps are unlike any other track clamp. Its head is forged into a 14-degree half-inch dovetail profile, allowing you to create your own tracks with one of the most common router bits on the market. Without tracks, you're limited to the edge of your workbench and the clamp's throat depth. Match fit dovetail clamps give you the freedom to clamp beyond the edge. They slide through the dovetail grooves below the surface to secure material without getting in the way. Make auxiliary fences, sleds, stops, hold downs, assembly tables. You can even transform your tool chest or existing workbench into a versatile clamping surface, easily and without expensive aluminum tracks. Sure, there are other track clamps out there, but who wants to buy all that metal? Whether for a quick jig or a permanent shop fixture, dovetail clamps will bring your woodworking to the next level. Cut a straight edge on warped or live edge stock with a sled? cut tapers, or assemble your projects on a perfectly flat surface. Your shop is good, now make it great. Add them to your cart and start working smarter today with the Match Fit Dovetail clamps.
got me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down. Got me living on a tightrope. She got me going down, down, down. She got me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down. Got me living on a tightrope. She got me going down, down, down. I don't know you like I want to, so I might call you tonight. If I do pick up, I got some gin in me, 100 bands on me. I'm feeling myself.
But my piece of wood is not thick enough to make use of it. So I'm running the piece along my fence. To make the second cut, I needed to lower my router bit by 5/32 of an inch. There were no instructions that come with the bit, but I was able to figure it out by taking a look at the specifications of the bit design and then by making a test cut. And the piece fits together very nicely. So then I just ran a bead of glue along the fingers and brushed it in well to make sure that it was along the entire surface. And then I clamped it up and I'll let it sit overnight. So I think this is a good way to glue up boards, especially when using them outdoors. It just gives them a